أشرب فنجان قهوة مع الفطر كل يوم. Okay, so no haircut. And so that's where you call it a day. And it's really down to luck because you need to keep up with the speed. It's the speed and the understanding of each word and the grammatical structure and how following the accents. And you need to be able to construct your own accents and the muscle memory that you may have or may not have. Which is if you sing for a long time and do re mi fa sol la si do, right, that kind of proficiency, basic sophistication of the linguistic vocal ability. Okay. Hi guys, welcome to Lame It Out, where we lame it out on everything above and beyond, and today in Arabic. So, all right. So, without further ado, let's check the um, my progress in Arabic. And first and foremost, I have Arabic 1 and Arabic 2. So I have completed the entire course, and then also I have learned the letters and diacritics and cursive writing. Okay, and then I'm familiar with the alphabet chart. Okay, so I know when I take a look at the Arabics, and I know how how it should be pronounced. Okay, and there's a forms. I have training in that, so I can you can tell that I'm not necessarily a complete beginner, but in here I have said, okay, I'm a A2 to A1 to A2 Arabic speaker. I know Arabic alphabets and I have finished the Lingo Dia Arabic course, so I have some basic grammar up my sleeve. I want to expand my vocabulary and grow a bit in every direction, but I only have 10 minutes. Okay, so this is a bonus section where we pick random languages that next time it might be in Hindi. I don't know. So we might be learning Hindi next time. So today is Arabic. Okay, let's get 5 AI recommendations. Okay, now we have obtained the 5 AI recommendations, and these are saved to plan. And let's take a look. Use Anki or physical flashcards with Arabic English word pass. Unfortunately, there's no Arabic in here, so I don't want this to be another coding session, so I'm gonna use Quizlets. Yeah, Quizlets. Okay. Sign up for free. I'm a teacher. Not a teacher. And okay, let's begin with the Holy shite, and it is so complex. Yeah, maybe my IQ point is enough to take a grasp of these functionalities. Review previous words using spaced repetition. I don't have, I'm off to a cold start and I don't have any new words. Um, okay, micro learn listening. So I need to prepare 5 words. Okay, focus on 5 new words daily. Household items, emotions. And it's time to get the deep seek. Okay, give me 5 Arabic words to learn. Give me sample sentences and English translation and grammar point tips. Arabic words. Good, 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 good. Pronounce words aloud. Write each new word once. No more than 5 new words per day. Okay, micro learning. Listen to 30-second clips from Arabic Pod. 101. Okay, what is the Arabic Pod 101? Okay, so this is the. Okay, I need to sign in. Join for free. Now let's. creating your accounts. I see the words of the day. I don't need that Arabic part. And the word of the day, I'm an absolute beginner. Okay, 40%. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, all the call to actions. I just need the words, okay? Call 100 word list. Word vocabulary for lining. Okay, premium trial. Okay, dashboard. Standard Arabic diagnostic. Self-introduction. Innovator language. Good, 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 good. So now I have Arabic Part 101. So basically, you need to also, before you start learning, you need to set out the basic logistics. Past passive, second active, sentence mining. Ana, ak, how do you say this? I eat an apple. Um, Tafa, tafatun, tafatun. I don't know. Create one simple sentence using new vocabulary. That includes Arabic typing, typewriter online. Yeah, and every language you need to learn Arabic keyboard, but it's it's a kind of yeah, and this is that is strange. That is strange. ArabicKeyboard.org. I wanted to write Arabic. Okay. Yeah. So this website will allow me to write Arabic and will be an Arabic keyboard and set up the logistics, sentence mining, create one simple sentence using new vocabulary. So it will be just a session for um yeah session for typing exercise, a script practice. Write three vocabulary words in Arabic script. Trace difficult letters. Okay, so it will be a typing exercise, and yeah, when you complete beginner or like a huge beginner, you can do the typing exercise in a foreign language. Describe one daily activity in Arabic. Okay, so I will let DeepSeek generate that, and so I just read it. Okay, let's begin with the. I might be over time because it's impossible to do it like in 1 minute. So vocabulary drill. Holy shit. Kitabun. Okay. هذا كتاب 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 يا آه، خ خالد خالد هذا كتاب خالد. Okay, so when you use un, I think it's nominative, right? Yeah. Indefinite noun and indicates indicates it's an indefinite a book. In the nominator case, if we're definite, the book al kitabu. Yeah. So kitabun, it's a book, and al kitabu is the book. Okay. Masculine noun, adjective describing it must be masculine. Khadidun. Yeah, khadidun. Okay, kitabun. Broken plural. Yeah, kitabun. Kutubun. Kutubun. Okay. Is that for the common broken plural pattern? Okay. So let's ditch the actual yeah, just the stimulation is okay because 3 minutes we cannot afford flashcards. Yaktubu. Yaktubu. He writes is writing, third person masculine singular. Katabu, related to writing. Awaladu, awaladu yaktubu, awaladu yaktubu, ar, arisalatun, alasalata, arisalata, arisalata, awaladu yaktubu, arisalata. Yeah, so um for this kind of like a pronunciation, in German you can speak very fast, but when you're a beginner, there's a chance that your pronunciation isn't fluent because your brain is still adapting to it. So um then the one method for is the repetition, 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 right? What I do, you have to take a look at this, here. You have to take a look at this here, and you don't need to take a look at it. Awaladu, yakutubu, arisalata. That is not training. You have to train to taking at the insert um, Arabic alphabets, and you take it all in and process that, and you read it out loud. Okay. Awaladu yaktabu. Awaladu yaktabu arisalaba. Okay. Awaladu yaktubu arisaraba. You can see that you still have kind of an issue when coordinating with your eyes and reading out loud, and there's kind of yaktubu, there's gonna be a hiccup in there. So the idea is to use repetition to eliminate that hiccup. Okay. Awaladu yaktubu arisarata. Waktubu yaktubu risalata. All right. So it's a muscle memory. Okay. Um, and then it will be a diminishing return of because you have muscle memory. So in one sentences, it will be overfitting. Okay. So you just give it up and you don't need to overdo it. Okay. Verb conjugation is base present tense form for he. It should say I write. Aktubu. You. Taktubu. Yeah. Yeah. Taktubu. And another one, it would be the Wiktionary. Yeah, you can see kataba, right? Kataba is the infinitive form of this, and you can see the conjugation. Yeah, but I'm not gonna do it today. Maybe in the future, because we are out of time. Right, only 5 minutes. Kapirun, big, large. Ah, go out of time, so we just finished the flashcard vocabulary drill, but you get the idea of how the be like of learning as a beginner. Micro listening and listening, 30-second clips from YouTube. Okay.
Welcome to ArabicPod101.com's Al-Arabic to learn basic Arabic expression at an informal way to introduce, followed by your name. Ana Carol is I am Carol. Finally, say nice to meet.
I'm not that kind of beginner. Hello. I need some material that only contains Arabic. Okay, there's no. Um, okay, so this is a triage for this kind of Egyptian. I need something that is totally in Arabic. survival phrases. Just learn mark complete and هذا من Mina and all right. Mark pronunciation. Okay, mark pronunciation, and also I need a translation. هذا Mina. What is that? Okay, so micro listening is I'm going to jump over that and sentence mining and we'll create one simple sentence using new vocabulary. Okay. Um, what the hell is this then? Why are you thinking so much? Okay. هذا مينا. هذا مين ص- ص- صقلك. Okay. هذا مين صقلك. هذا right. هذا مين صقلك. Okay. هذا عل علفك علفك هذا علفك. It likely means هذا علفك uncertain. I likely means I don't know. This you're welcome. Okay, here you go. Please take this. هذا من فضلك. هذا من فضلك. Okay. All right. So the next exercise would be consents. Um, type this exercise to the um, hmm. All right, there's no way I can do it without overtime. That and how to do the diacritics. I don't really know. Don't really know. Yeah, هذا it's Jean. هذا yeah. هذا من من yeah. فضلك. Maybe I just don't use the oh oh. Yep. هذا من فضلك. Yeah. That's it. And the muscle memory will be there. And we're out of time. So just one is completed. Sentence mining, we still have two. So write three vocabulary words in Arabic script. Trace difficult letters. I'll just use write another sentence that will mark it as completed. Okay. Um, right now, I think I'm getting that. Yeah, I'm getting the kitabun and kitabun. Right. And what is the where's the ta? Yeah, ta. Ta, bu, ba. That is L. Yeah, tabu. هذا كتاب جديد. It's not حديد, it's جديد. Yeah, جيم. It's not جيم. جديد. إي. Yeah. هذا كتاب جديد. Yeah, جديد. Okay, so this will mark this as complete and self-taught. Describe daily activity in Arabic. Okay. Um, I will close this annual daily activity in here. This one completed. This one completed. Now, micro learning lesson 2. Focus on identifying known words. Yeah, because you need some kind of a listening exercise and Arabic pronunciation sentence pronunciation. So online. Okay, so narrative, and this is the second time I actually see that. Um, so just one. Here's the question of the daily morning. Drink coffee in the morning. أشرب فين فنجان أشرب فنجان قه- قهوة قهوة مع الفجر 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 كل 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 يوم يوم. I drink a cup of coffee at dawn every day. Hmm. Create audio. I just need to. I just need to take look at this.
أشرب فنجان قهوة مع الفجر كل يوم.
Uh, oh, we're over time, but I have to do this. I have to do this. Yeah. Today, okay, so this is the determination of we can build 18 more media assets. That's quite plan. Okay, so if you can sponsor me, and that will be good. And أشرب فنجانا. You need to take a look at the Arabic alphabets, not the Asharbu down here. Okay. Hmm.
أشرب فنجان قهوة مع الفجر كل يوم.
أشرب فنجان أشرب فنجان قهوة مع الفجر يوم كل كل يوم كل يوم كل يوم
أشرب فنجان قهوة مع الفجر كل يوم.
كل okay يوم يوم كل okay so this is where the dictionary comes into play. So there's a con preposition in here. So if you're not entirely a beginner, you can some kind of see some kind of sentence structure in there. Asharabu is the verb, okay? Um, I think it's a asharabu, vijana, Ma is with. Okay, with. This is a definite noun. Um, afajri, afajri. Okay, afajri. With what? Every day. Afajri. Hungary. This is impossible. Virtually, so this is where reversal come into play. Okay, morgen Dämmerung. Dämmerung. All right, so even German won't help. So I don't mean officially gulla. Officially gulla. Okay, with dawn, with dawn. Officially gulla. Uh, um, yeah, it's this gulla. Yeah, sometimes they even and this is where the gulla каждый. Yeah, in Russian it would be каждый. So gulla it's a connection. So if you know many languages, there is a chance that каждый in Russian and gulla in Arabic is gonna be connected. Okay, gulla يخمن يخمن يومن. Okay. Every day, Yaumen. Yeah, Gula Yaumen. So it's day. Okay. Mm. Okay. Now I have a whiz morning every day, and I know that kafwat kafwatin is must be coffee, right? Kafwatin. Yeah, coffee. Kafwatin. Kafwata. Okay. اشربوا فينا فنجانا أشرب فنجانا فنجانا must be cup and it will be is actually accusative um cup of genitive and teen it will be genitive so a cup of coffee it would be um فنجان قهوة yeah فنجان قهوة أشرب فنجان قهوة من الفجر كل يوم. Okay, so yeah, it's a coordination, the when you're very beginner and you want to speak with fluency. Fluency actually consists of like understanding of the sentence structure and which one is a preposition, which one is noun, which one is definite pronoun, and which one is what. And the also the alphabets proficiency you have to be and read all the words and you have to have that kind of like a foreign proficiency of the Arabic alphabets and you have to have that muscle memory so it's a multifaceted factors but it's um, and then you have to stimulate simultaneously all of the factors when you actually also include a meaning you have to know what each word means and for example here ashrabu you need to know it's a verb okay ashrabu and you need to know its meaning is drink okay you're not as a riba, you need to know its root. You don't necessarily need to know its root. It's a shorb, and so and you need to know, and um, it's first person nominated case. It's asharabu. Okay, shariba. Yeah, shariba. Okay, so you know, yeah, you can see the non-past and past. Okay, sharibtu. Yeah, sharibtu, sharibta, sharibti, shariba, sharibat. Right? And the Sharituma, yeah, dual, yeah, there's another facet of the Arabic is that the two person would be entirely different. You need to remember another dimension, which is pretty annoying. Shariba, sharibata, right, third person, and plural, sharibna, sharitun, sharituna. So it's very easy to, get mixed up with the Sharituna and Sharituma. Sharibu, Sharibna, yeah. So, and non-past Ashrabu, Tashrabu, Tashrabina, Yashrabu, Tashrabu, and Tashnabani, Yashrabani, Tashrabani, right? So, and the second person usually is Tashrabani, right? But it also applies for feminine. So the noun past and feminine and second person, they are the same. Okay? Nashrabu, dashrabuna, yashrabuna, yashrabna, yashrabna, dashrabna. Right? Plural is even more. And subjunctive, ashraba, dashraba, yashraba. So subjunctive is similar to Italian, and yeah, dashraba, dashrabi, yashraba, dashraba. Okay, dashraba, yashraba, dashraba, nashraba. Okay, so it's also it's just saying ba, dashrabu, yashrabu, dashrabna, yashrabna, right? And Joseph, and Joseph is even more. I don't know. I haven't reached Joseph right now. Imperative, ishrab, ishrabi. Okay, and passive voice. Um, this one is actually easier because it's just subirtu, suribtu, right? So it's a becomes u, and rip is the same. Tu is the same. Okay, soriptu. Okay, sariptu. Um, us usrapu. Yeah, usrapu. Asrapu. Right. So it's just it comes. Oh, I think there's another for passive voice, but so this is the conjugation in Arabic. You have to understand that. Have the basic neural connection. That's okay. So this is the word, how the word will contradicate. You don't need to remember exactly what, but you have to know. You have that neural infrastructure. Okay. And Vijana. Okay. Vijana Kawatin. Yeah. Okay. Vijana cup. Vijana. You have to know it is a accusative in the last character it will be are. Okay, and and here in the genitive, in the noun, the genitive, kofwatin, it will in the t, in the at the end it will be in. Okay, so this genitive mod with, okay, it's a preposition, and afwa, abja, abjari, afjari, afshari, afashari, yeah, afashari. So فاشلي. So I don't فاشلي كل يوم. Yeah. كل every каждый يوم. Yeah. Day. Yeah. كل is followed by genitive. Okay. So يوم in. Okay. So you have to know all of that so you can be consistently hopeful that you, through the repetition of all of these factors are present and but under trained they need to be present and if there's one piece missing you won't be hopeful to consistently achieve fluency in one sentence or in entire language. Okay, so then you can use repetition. Okay, I will just remove it and I will just show it here. أشرب فنجان أشرب فنجان أشرب فنجان قهوة معا أفشري كل يوم. Okay, so and repetition. Okay, and you need to do that all the time. Okay, أشرب أشرب فجنا فنجنا أشرب فنجنا. Okay, so then you can finjana. Yes, that's right. أشرب فنجان قهوة. أشرب فنجان قهوة مينا. Oh, it's not mina. It's مع الفجر كل يوم. Yeah, كل يوم. Okay, so in the meantime, you need to connect the meaning, grammatical structure, and the Arabic alphabets and your muscle memory. Everything needs to be present. أشرب فنجان أشرب فنجان قهوة. أشرب فنجان قهوة مع الفجر كل يوم. Yeah, this is this time, and you need to progress balance with balance. Every factor that is lacking, you need to compensate it. Okay, you can't just repeat, and for example, your understanding of the word meaning start to fade away, and you do the repetition without any thinking. That is not right. Okay, so you need to be hyper aware of the which one is lacking. Okay, and through one repetition you have to reflect, and then you start to repeat again with that compensation. Okay, let's see the repetition. أشرب فنجان قهوة مع الفجر كل يوم. Yeah, it's close. It's close. أشرب فنجان قهوة مع الفجر كل يوم. Okay, so and then about that last, the jewel on the crown, it's the accent. Okay, you don't follow the accent from the very beginning. It's not important. Okay, it is important to pronounce every word in the right way. It's a muscle memory, which it is down to repetition. But for the consistent, hopeful way to achieve fluency, you have to, the muscle balance. Okay.
أشرب فنجان قهوة مع الفجر كل يوم.
أشرب فنجان قهوة مع الفنجان فجر كل يوم. Okay.
أشرب فنجان قهوة مع الفجر كل يوم.
فطري فطري yeah. أشرب فنجان قهوة من معد فجري سنة فجري كل من يوم. Okay.
أشرب فنجان قهوة مع الفجر كل يوم.
كل yeah. There's gonna be a little bit difference, but yeah. أشرب فنجان قهوة مع فنجان فطري كل من يوم. Okay. And we can sort of like repeat that until perfection. Okay. So and I'm going to read it for 5 more times, and we're gonna call it a day.
أشرب فنجان قهوة مع الفجر كل يوم.
أشرب فنجان قهوة مع الفجر كل يوم. One time.
أشرب فنجان قهوة مع الفجر كل يوم.
أشرب فنجان قهوة مع فنجان فجر كل يوم. I need to know which is فجري, or like فجري. Yeah, it's the dawn.
أشرب فنجان قهوة مع الفجر كل يوم.
فجري. Okay. أشرب فنجان قهوة مع فجري كل يوم. Okay. One hiccup.
أشرب فنجان قهوة مع الفجر كل يوم.
أشرب فنجان قهوة مع الفجر كل يوم. Okay, 3 times.
أشرب فنجان قهوة مع الفجر كل يوم.
أشرب فنجان قهوة مع الفجر كل يوم. Okay, one hiccup.
أشرب فنجان قهوة مع الفجر كل يوم.
أشرب فنجان قهوة مع الفجر كل يوم. Okay, so no hiccup. And so that's where you call it a day. And it's really down to luck, because you need to keep up with the speed. It's the speed and the understanding of each word and the grammatical structure, and how following the accents, and you need to be able to construct your own accents, and the muscle memory that you have, you may have or may not have, which is if you sing for a long time, and do re mi fa sol la si do, right? That kind of proficiency, basic sophistication of the um, linguistic vocal ability. Okay. If you don't have that structure, facility for it, and you will have some challenges, you need to put extra efforts. So that's why I don't recommend, if you don't have a basic vocal, linguistic structure facility for it, and it will be increasingly hard. That will, if you're a math genius, you don't need to put that much effort, which has diminishing return, because you need to build that from the ground up. Okay, so that's all for the Arabic course, and how to learn a language from the ground up and completely and in effective manner. So, okay, thank you for taking this course. Yeah, and it's back to my teacher times. So, okay, so this is the layman out, where we layman out on everything above and beyond in Arabic, of course. Okay, so thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.